So the question is log 24 base 2 upon log 2 base 96 minus log 192 base 2 log 2 base 12, and we need to find the value of this expression. So what I know here is the base of these two logs, it is 2, but then here the base is 96 and 12, but here the number is 2. So what we know is log b base a is 1 upon log a base b. So if I take the reciprocal of this log, then I'll get the base as 2. So I'll write it as, so this is log 24 and 1 upon log 2 base 96 is log 96 to the base 2. 96 to the base 2 minus, and this again is log 190 to the base 2, and if I take reciprocal again, I'll write it as log 12 base 2. Now I'll express each of this number as prime powers. So 24 is 2 cube into 3. This is 2 to the power 5 into 3. Two square into 3. Now each of this expression is log m into n. So I can write it as log 2 cube plus log 3 log 2 to the power 5 base 2 plus log 3 log 2 to the power 6 plus base 3 and log 2 square plus log 3 base 2. Now here I can take these power out, and then for each of this log 2 base 2 will be 1. So I can write it as 3 plus log 3, 5 plus log 3, 6 plus log 3, and 2 plus log 3. Now I'll start multiplying them. So I'll get what? 15. Now 5 plus 3, 8. And then this is log 3 base 2 whole square, and then minus, I'll also multiply these two. So this is 12, 6 plus 2, 8. And then log 3 whole square. Now this 8 log 3 base 2 will cancel, and then log 3 also will cancel. So I'll get 15 minus 12, which is 3. Answer to this question is simply 3.